Hello Cruiser World, it's Mick the Suit Guy and it is Monday and my head is shocking. And what I mean by that is, it is shocking. If you watch these videos lately, you'll know what I mean. I'm not going to go into it, I'm bored of talking about it, but just know I'm not in the best of health right now, but we're going to get through this. And I've got some tips this week from Lisa. You'll notice a subtle change from last week. I'm still dedicating this to my good friend Kathy, aka Pineapple Molly. It has nothing to do with the fact that this was the color shirt I chose to do suits, and I looked around and this was the best match. Not at all. Entirely this for Kathy. All right, Lisa's got some tips this week, so there's quite a few on here, so hopefully we'll get through this. If I pause, then you know why I'm pausing. I used to put my hand up. I'm not doing that anymore. I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna get this done, and I'm gonna get you the tips you deserve. Even though I'm not going through the best of times right now. This is what I do. Suck it up, buttercup. All right, Lisa, let's get these tips done. To me, from Lisa. Apparently it says sent at 10:08 a.m. 2 minutes ago. That's how quickly I printed these out after receiving them, just so you know, Lisa. I was there paying attention, get them. I get these, because I don't read them in advance. I get them, I take my glasses off, I print them, I put them in my desk, ready to do when I do this recording. So I am reading this live with you. You're hearing it the first time. I am. So we're going to react. To me, take advantage of the spacious showers at the gym or spa, usually also with better soap, shampoo and towels than in your cabin. It's great for cabin mates who want to shower and dress at the same time. I cannot speak to that much, because I've never gone in the spa. I've been in the gym. But, you know, what I like to do when I've been in the gym is, see, showering after the gym is for losers. Because if you go to the gym and then you shower before you go back to the cabin, nobody on the ship is going to know you went to the gym. If you go to the gym and you have a good old workout, you got the good old sweat on, and you walk back to your cabin, and everybody looks at you, and you're like, are you drinking maybe some water or something, and you're just pouring with sweat, they know you went to the gym. They know you're a workout merchant. Then you shower when you get back in your room, and you suck up the lesser shampoo. That's just me. Now, I just did a cruise on the Sunshine over New Year's, and we upgraded to a spa interior, which was the tiniest cabin I've ever seen in my life. Of course, I sent in a comment suggestion to Carnival about it, and I haven't heard back. What a shocking move. It was the tiniest cabin in history. Anyway, they do have the upgraded. They have the Elemis shampoo and soap in the cabins, as well as in the showers in there. So yes, it is nicer. I will also add, I have very little hair. So, yeah, for me, I totally understand what you're saying. For me, I'm bald people, whatever you want to say, maybe not as important, but for a lot of people, I can absolutely get that. But again, think about this. I want to be seen. I don't want to be known as the lazy fat, you know what. I want to be the one that's fat, but he tries, you know. So I'm walking, I'm just pouring with sweat. Sometimes I just tip a bottle of water over my head just to make it look like I sweat even more. So number one, I can't really talk to, apart from the fact, and that's the only time I've ever been in a spa cabin. Number two, shoppers at Effie. I've never shopped in Effie, so this is going to be a tip. We're just going to read and move on, because I won't know anything about this. Lisa, what are you doing to me? You're all posh. Isn't Effie a posh shop? Isn't that like diamonds and stuff? Whatever, I don't know. I don't do jewelry. I don't even wear a watch. Shoppers at Effie. If you find a jewelry piece in the store that you like, check the Effie website for a better price. The store associates will match the online price. So Effie's I thought Effie was just a Carnival thing. It's a Shore thing as well. That shows how much I know about shops. Somebody asked me the other day, what are my favorite shops? And I said Amazon.com and Oppo Suits. Woo! I shouldn't have done that. I did a little bit of a wince and so yeah, I mean, I don't even have to know that's a good tip. It's kind of like sometimes I do that with Amazon. If I'm in like a Home Depot and we're looking for something I know I can get on Amazon. This is my theory. If you've ever been in a Home Depot and the Wi-Fi is poor, right? Right? Am I right? I think I am. That's because they don't want you comparing the price of what you found to someone like Amazon. That's why. Yep. Next, I am a frugal cruiser. So here's a few beverage tips. Number 1, pack a reusable hot, cold tumbler or mug. You need to stay hydrated on vacation. I'm kind of getting away from my line, there's water in beer, because a lot of people are saying this may be because I didn't drink enough water over time and it built up. So yes, I agree. Mine is often filled with Arnold Palmer, tapped from Lido beverage station. Isn't he dead? Now, how would he fit in a mug? Is Arnold Palmer a drink I don't know about? Is it alcohol free or is it alcoholic? All right, this is becoming too much of a pattern. I've wised up now. Like for 3 of the last 5 videos, the camera's died on me. It is an old camera. I think I need to buy a new camera. That's the problem. Because I hear the click sound. It means it went off. It's damn battery. So I just look back. I'm pretty sure it ended when we were talking about Arnold Palmer. So I'm just going to retrack a little bit and say, I think it was like, Arnold Palmer, is that alcoholic or non-alcoholic? And I was going to reach for my phone and look it up. And then I heard the click. So let me look it up. Arnold Palmer drink. Beverage. The name refers to the professional American golfer Arnold Palmer, who was known to often request and drink the beverage combination. Non-alcoholic beverage that combines iced tea and lemonade. Let me tell you, if you could ask me what is the last drink in the world I would drink, it would be iced tea and lemonade. Because I'm English. Hot tea. Iced tea I refer to as the devil's drink. And lemonade, no, I don't like lemons. So yeah, me and you are not getting on, Lisa. We are not getting on with these tips. I'm sure to 89, 90, about 98% of the people you are. But me and you, we're not gelling today. We are not gelling. I'm just saying. Just saying. I'm kidding. So yeah, do the Arnold Palmer. Need a mocha coffee. No, I don't like coffee. Tea. Oh dear. Get the free coffee, no, at Lido, then a chocolate milk from the buffet and combine them. That's frugal. Maybe I'll have Julie try that on the next cruise, because I don't know if she drinks that or not. She drinks coffee. I don't know what she drinks. I never ask her. I couldn't tell you what she does from the moment she gets up to the moment she goes to bed. I have no idea what she's doing. Drinking water or something, I don't know. Never ask. She gets coffee. I don't even know if it's regular coffee or I don't know. Why would I ask that? But if she does, I'll ask her. Check your cruise line's FAQ, but Carnival allows 1 bottle of wine per 21 and over passenger, plus 12 canned non-alcoholic beverages like sobers and carbonated waters. Although Carnival charges for a gallon of distilled water for CPAP users, anyone can order that gallon of water, which is cheaper per ounce than the bottled drinking water. So are you saying that you would order the CPAP water as drinking water? Is that what I'm reading? I don't know. I don't know if that's good or bad. I distilled water. You are absolutely correct on the wine, up to 750 milliliters, I would add, and the 12 cans, no bottles, cans only. Or you can always order the water in advance as well and have it delivered to your room. That's probably, although the price of that's gone up and up and up. I don't know what the difference is on that. But yeah, I don't know what to say on that one, apart from the fact that I just got about 10 zaps in about 30 seconds, which kind of put me off a little bit. So yeah, good to know. So that is the frugal cruising tips. Make your own Arnold Palmer from the Lido beverage station. Mix free coffee and chocolate milk to make a mocha coffee, and then use CPAP in water instead of regular water. I'm assuming that's what it is. All right. Moving on. I could have done these in 2 weeks. Maybe I will. Yeah. I feel like I waffled on long enough on those ones. But I can do there's 3 more. And that's going to be too long for 1 week. So we're going to do another week of Lisa's tips. And I'm going to keep the same suit on just for Lisa, because I like to honor you by giving you the suit of my choice, which has nothing to do with the fact that I'm going to turn the camera off and turn it on again and record the next lot now for the following week. Nothing at all. It's my way of honoring you by dedicating a suit to you, which again, Kathy's going to be upset about because she wants all the pineapple suits. Anyway, thank you, Lisa, for those. Don't make me laugh. They were really good tips, trust me. It's just that me and you had no connection. This is why it's wonderful that you send tips in yourself, because they are 3 tips you would never in a million years have heard from me, which is great. This is why you send them in, because you can share these with people that would never ever know about it otherwise, right? So yeah, that's good. Good. So thank you. It sounded like I didn't think they were good tips. They were very good tips. They just weren't for me. And not everything's for everybody, is it? I'm sure the next ones will be wonderfully applicable to me. We'll see. We'll find out in about 5 minutes for me, in about 7 days for you. All right. Subscribe. If you like to hit that bell, you'll get notifications when these videos come out. Know that I'm going through pain for you on these videos, and hopefully not for long. I'm going to see a chiropractor, and then I got a neurologist eventually. Can't see him for another 5 weeks though. Woo, it's a long time. I'm going to go because I need to. I'll take a break and then I'll do the next one. I will see you later, Cruising World. Any questions? Email me anytime. cruisingsuitguy@gmail.com. I promise I'll reply as soon as possible. Want to book a cruise or any type of travel? We are travel agents. Check out our site, elitetravelconnection.com, or email me, mick@elitetravelconnection.com. We are here for you. Finally, subscribe, please. Pretty please. You know you want to. Go on. I won't beg you. Okay, I'm begging. Please. Subscribe. Thank you. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that bell, and you'll get notifications when new videos come out. And don't forget, click on the links to the left and right of me. You can watch playlists, new video suggestions, and more. Any questions? Email me, cruisingsuitguy@gmail.com. And don't forget, I'm a travel agent. Email for help.